Let's go trick-or-treating! At each house, we'll say the ordinal number, first, second, third, and get a yummy treat. When the candy lands in the jack-o'-lantern, clap that many times with me. This is the first house. On the first house of Halloween, my neighbor gave to me a chocolate bar so yummy. Here's the second house. On the second house of Halloween, my neighbor gave to me 2 gummy worms. Now the third house. On the third house of Halloween, my neighbor gave to me 3 candy corns. We're at the fourth house. On the fourth house of Halloween, my neighbor gave to me 4 lollipops. On the fifth house of Halloween, my neighbor gave to me 5 marshmallow ghosts. Wow! You did it! You clapped and counted from the first home to the 5th home. Happy Halloween!